Alright subscribers, welcome back. On this video we'll be applying Griots Garage 3-in-1 liquid wax to this Toyota Corolla, but first we have to remove all this artillery or shotgun fungus. We'll dive right into it right after this. Let's get it. Artillery fungus normally comes from decaying plant matter such as flower beds, things of that nature. When you park your car near a flower bed and it's been normally moist and the temperature rises, these little spores pop out of the stuff, the mulch, and land on your car, and they will eventually start to grow if they're not removed properly. Stay tuned, let's get it. As you can see, the vehicle definitely needs our services bad. We normally detail this vehicle once a year and remove all the artillery fungus. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and remove the fungus, and let's go ahead and apply some of this liquid wax. Let's get it. As an added bonus, we'll also be featuring Arctic spot remover and body prep to go ahead and remove this artillery fungus. Stay tuned so you guys can see what's going on. Let's get it. And as you can see, we removed all the artillery fungus and the little brown spots that are left behind after we remove the fungus. As you can see, let's go ahead and apply this liquid wax and get the show on the road. Stay tuned. As you can see, I'm using my Flex 34-1 with the Griots Garage 3-in-1 liquid wax, and I have that teamed up with the MEGUIAR'S Soft Buff finishing pad. Let's get it. All right, here it is. Let's check out these end results. The car is nice and shiny, nice and clean. No more artillery fungus on the vehicle whatsoever. We're doing an excellent job. Stay tuned. We're almost done with the video. Let's get it. And if you like this type of content, why not subscribe? All right, jump in the comments below and let me know if you have any experience with Griots 3-in-1 liquid wax. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.